हेलो फ्रेंड्स। वेलकम टू आवर चैनल बॉटम्स एकेडमी। चलिए आज से अब मार्च का करंट अफेयर शुरू करते हैं। हु हैज़ टेकन ओवर एज कंट्रोलर जनरल ऑफ डिफेंस अकाउंट्स? मयंक शर्मा। हु हैज़ बीन इलेक्टेड एज द प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ बार काउंसिल ऑफ इंडिया फॉर द सेवेंथ consecutive टाइम? मनन कुमार मिश्रा। Which language has been legally declared as the official language of America for the first time after 248 years? English. Who has honored with the Icon of Excellence Award at the Forbes India Leadership Award 2025? जैसा। Zero Discrimination Day was celebrated with what theme? We Stand Together. What was the India's first Vishwa Shanti Kendra inaugurated under the guidance of Jain Acharya Lokesh to promote non-violence and universal brotherhood? Gurugram. Which film won the Best Film Award at the 97th Oscar Award ceremony? Anora. Vidarbha defeated which team to win Ranji Trophy title for the third time? Kerala. Who won the title of Bengaluru Open ATP 125 Challenger Tournament? Brandon Holt, USA के हैं ये. Central government has given the status of Navratna company to which? IRCTC and IRFC. Who has been appointed as the brand ambassador of the American jeans brand Levi's? Diljit Dosanjh. Where did India launch multinational coalition of cities for circularity? Jaipur. A budget of 1,65,000 crore was presented in the Chhattisgarh Assembly. As a key feature of the budget is the acronym GATI, which stands for Good Governance, Acceleration, Accelerating Infrastructure, Technology and Industrial Development. Total budget of how many crores was presented in Bihar Legislative Assembly for the financial year 25-26? 3,16,895 crore. Where did Prime Minister Narendra Modi lay the foundation stone of National Referral Center for Wildlife? New Pipalya, Junagadh. Who has been appointed as the CEO of Government of E-Marketplace by the central government? Ajay Bhadu. With which theme World Heritage Day was celebrated? Changing Mindsets. With which theme World Wildlife Day was celebrated? Wildlife Conservation Finance, Investing in People and Planet. Trump administration has imposed US tariff on which three countries? Canada, Mexico and China. Which court of India ruled on 4 March that protection against disability based discrimination is a fundamental right? Supreme Court. Which court of India ruled that protection against disability based discrimination is a fundamental right? Supreme Court. Where did Prime Minister Modi inaugurated the world's largest wildlife rescue, rehabilitation and conservation center? Jamnagar, Gujarat. China has announced what percentage increase in its defense budget? 7.2%. DRDO has successfully conducted high altitude test of indigenous integrated life support system for which light combat aircraft Tejas, under which project central government approved construction of two ropeways from Sonprayag to Kedarnath and Govind Ghat to Hemkund Sahib Ji in Uttarakhand Parvat Mala project. Where did President Draupadi Murmu inaugurated second edition of Amrit Mahotsav of Diversity? Rashtrapati Bhavan. Who was awarded as the Lifetime Achievement in Education through Hospitality and Technology Award? Dr. Subarno Bose. Who has been appointed as the RBI as its Executive Director? Ajit Ratnakar Joshi. Who has been appointed as the first woman Law Secretary of India? Anju Rathi Rana. Who has been awarded ACM AM Turing Award 2024, also known as the Nobel Prize of Computing? Andrew Barto and Richard Sutton. Which legendary Australian batsman retired from ODI cricket? Steve Smith. Which day was celebrated on 5 March 2025? International Disarmament and Non-Proliferation Awareness Day. Three most valuable brands of India. YouGov India Value Ranking 2025 released on March. कौन कौन से हैं ये? अमेजन, फ्लिपकार्ट और अमूल. थ्री मोस्ट वैल्यूएबल ब्रांड्स इन इंडिया इन द YouGov India Value Ranking 2025 is Amazon, Flipkart and Amul. Uttar Pradesh government has launched an app by which name to improve the routine of immunization of children? RISE, Rapid Immunization Skill Enhancement. The Ministry of Electronics and Information has launched the scheme by what name to promote AI innovation? AI KOSA. According to the Wealth Report 2025 released on 6 March, India is at what position in the Global Wealth Ranking? Fourth. Which day was celebrated as the 6 March National Dentist Day? World Sustainable Development Summit was held in Delhi from 5 to 7 March with which theme? Partnerships for Accelerating Sustainable Development. According to the OAG report, who is the world's second largest airline in terms of seat capacity after Qatar? Indigo. Who is the third strongest insurance brand in the world as per Brand Finance Insurance 100 report? LIC. Which state project Hifazat has been started on 7 March to strengthen women and child safety? Punjab. India has signed agreement with which country to purchase 1000 horsepower engines for T-72 battle tanks? Russia. Government of Karnataka has renamed Bangalore City University as which name? Manmohan Singh Bangalore City University, who has become the first Indian woman to win prestigious Ramsar Award in the wetland wise use category. Jayasri Venkatesan, who whom has BCCI entrusted the representation of India in the board of director for Asian Cricket Council. Rajiv Shukla, which day was celebrated on 7 March to raise awareness about the importance of generic medicines. Jan Aushadhi Divas, which bank has launched digital SME loan without any collateral for women entrepreneurs called Asmita? SBI, which are the best countries for the working women in the Glass and Ceiling Index released by The Economist, Sweden. According to IQ Air data released on 8 March, which is the most polluted city in the world, Burnihat, Meghalaya. Under the what theme International Women's Day was celebrated? Accelerate Action. Which film won the Best Film Award at the 25th IFA Awards? Jaipur, Lapata Ladies. Central government has declared which national park of Madhya Pradesh as the ninth tiger reserve and the 58th tiger reserve of the country, Madhav National Park. India defeated which country by 4 wickets in the Dubai to win ICC Champions Trophy for the third time? New Zealand. Rajnath Singh became the first defense minister of India to visit Institute of Aerospace Medicine of the Indian Air Force. Where is the institute located? Bangalore. Rajnath Singh became the first defense minister of India to visit Institute of Aerospace Medicine of the Indian Air Force. Where is the institute located? Bangalore. Where was the international conference cum exhibition GridCon 2025 organized? Delhi. Which airport has been recognized as the best airport in Asia Pacific region to serve 40 million passengers? Delhi Airport. Assam government has announced to launch its own satellite with what name? AssamSat, who has been appointed by GRM Overseas as the brand ambassador for its 10x classic Chakki Fresh Atta? Salman Khan. Which Indian paramilitary force celebrated its foundation day? CISF, who has been appointed the new chancellor of NIIT University? Amitabh Kant. In Rajasthan, Amitabh Kant, who was appointed as the new chancellor of NIIT University located in Rajasthan? Amitabh Kant. Which day was celebrated on 10 March? National Women's Judge Day. With what theme was the 54th National Security Week celebrated? Safety, well-being crucial for Viksit Bharat. Which new space telescope has been launched by NASA on 11 March to map the cosmic glow of the universe? SpareX. According to the data released on this day, which country India has emerged as a leading source country for foreign direct investment? Dubai. According to CPD report, what is the position of India in the list of countries importing arms in 2024? Second, Ukraine tops. Which women entrepreneur focused microfinance company has won the gold medal, two gold medals at Scotch Awards 2025? Muthoot Microfin. Ministry of Education has launched a scheme by what name to guide young writers? PM Yuva. Balochistan Liberation Army hijacked which passenger train in Pakistan to took more than 150 people? Jafar Express. Which mission was launched to preserve manuscript on 11 March? 135th Foundation Day of National Archives, Gyan Bharatam Mission. Which mission was launched to preserve manuscript on 11 March, the 135th Foundation Day of the National Archives of India? Gyan Bharatam. Where was the fourth bilateral exercise Bongo Sagar between Indian Navy and Bangladesh Navy held? Bay of Bengal. Which country Prime Minister Narendra Modi attended National Day celebration as a chief guest? Mauritius. Which country has honored Prime Minister Modi with the highest award, Grand Commander of the Order of Star and Key of Indian Ocean? Mauritius. Sahitya Akademi organized annual Sahitya Mahotsav 2025 from New Delhi. IDAI has recognized which insurance company as a domestically systematic important insurer? LIC, New India Insurance and GIC. Which public sector undertaking has joined the central government mission Amrit Sarovar to tackle water crisis? Indian Railways. Under what name Google has launched lightweight open AI for smartphones and laptops? Gamma 3. Fourth, No Money for Terror conference held in Munich. Finance Ministry has notified zero coupon bond for which Maharatna company to raise 10,000 crore? Power Finance Corporation. Who topped the medal tally in the second phase of 5th Khelo India Winter Games 2025? Army. Who won the 15th Hockey India Junior Senior Women's National Championship title, Hockey Jharkhand. Which sculptor of the Statue of Unity was honored with the Maharashtra Bhushan Award, Ram Sutar. Which day was celebrated on 12 March, No Smoking Day. London-based central banking has awarded the Digital Transformation Award 2025 to RBI for which digital initiative, Pravah and Sarathi, who has been approved by IRDAI to commence business as the first Indian private sector reinsurance company, Valuetix. United Nations General Secretary Antonio Guterres has announced which initiative to increase efficiency amid uncertainty, UNAT, which country topped the medal tally at the World Para Athletics Grand Prix 2025, India, for 45 gold, 40 silver, 49 bronze, and total of 134. Who has been appointed as the brand ambassador of the menstrual hygiene brand Narika, Saina Nehwal. Where did Union Science and Technology Minister Dr. Jitendra Singh lay foundation stone for the permanent campus of Northeast Center for Technology Application and Research, Nectar, Shillong? Asian Development Bank has announced initiative by what name to promote private sector development and ocean impact in the Pacific region, Frontier Seed. Which state government has created controversy by releasing a new rupee logo for the state budget? Tamil Nadu. Who took charge as the 24th Prime Minister of Canada? Mark Carney. Who has been appointed by the Delhi Capitals as the new captain? Akshar Patel. Eminent Naga scientist and educationist died in Texas on 14 March is Dr. Senklong Senka Yaden. Which day was celebrated on 14th March? Pi Day. With what theme was the World Consumer Rights Day celebrated? Just transition to sustainable lifestyle. Mumbai Indians defeated whom to win their second WPL title? Delhi Capitals. Amit Shah inaugurated newly built Lachit Borfukan Police Academy at Dergaon, in which state? Assam. Government of India has officially approved Chandrayaan 5 mission in the collaboration with which country? JAXA, Japan. Which most loved comedian of Tamil Nadu film industry passed away? Bindu Ghosh. Which author's book Leo the Untold Story of Chennai Super King was launched by MS Dhoni? P.S. Raman. Which famous Odia poet and former bureaucrat died? Ramakant Rath. Which day was celebrated on 16th March? National Vaccination Day. Who has taken over as the CMD of Hindustan Petroleum Corporation Limited? Vikas Kausal. Which Bollywood actor has been named Fit India icon by Union Sports Ministry? Ayushman Khurrana. Who has been appointed as the brand ambassador of Skechers Global Comfort Technology Company? Jasprit Bumrah. ISRO Chairman V. Narayanan inaugurated the Advanced Thermal Science Research Center at which IIT? IIT Madras. Delhi Police has started squad by what name to prevent molestation? Sistachar. Which state government has launched Rajiv Yuva Vikasan scheme to promote self-employment? Telangana. Which state government has announced to provide daily wages of Rs 300 to 320 per day to MG Narega workers? Himachal Pradesh. Who has sworn in as the 8th Prime Minister of Trinidad and Tobago? Stuart Young. Where was the first temple dedicated to Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj inaugurated? Bhiwandi. India has won the total medal at Special Olympics World Winter Games of 25 33. Which public sector bank awarded Top Improver Award in each 60 reforms index? Punjab and Sindh Bank. Bengaluru-based startup partnered with Astroscale Japan to remove space debris? Bellatrix Aerospace. By what names ISRO developed two advanced 32-bit high-speed microprocessor on 17 March? Bikram 301, Kalpana 3201. In which state was the first scientific coal mining block Saringham E inaugurated? Meghalaya. Which senior BJP leader and former union minister passed away? Dr. Devendra Pradhan. Which city India's first PPT green waste processing plant has been announced to be launched under Swachh Bharat Mission? Indore. Union Minister of Information and Broadcasting has launched which initiative with the aim of funding and providing national recognition to startups? Waves 2025. RBI has signed agreement with which central bank of which country of mutual transaction in local currencies? Mauritius. Which Indian long distance runner has been banned for 4 years for failing a dope test? Archana Jadhav. Which online travel platform appointed as a brand ambassador? Rishabh Pant. Which online travel platform appointed its brand ambassador on 18 March? Rishabh Pant. whose book March of Glory was unveiled commemorating 15th anniversary of India's historic Hockey World Cup victory in Y 1975. Errol de Cruz book March of Glory was unveiled on 15th anniversary of India's historic World Cup victory in 1975 was Errol de Cruz. Which day was celebrated on 18th March? Ordnance Factory Day. Where was Raisen Dialogue held? New Delhi. NASA astronauts have been returned safely to Earth on after spending how many nine months in space? Butch Wilmore and Sunita Williams. Wilmore and Sunita Williams come back to Earth after spending 9 months in the space. Which state government has signed an agreement with Gates Foundation for AI and Development Initiative, Andhra Pradesh, who has become the exclusive banking partner of Sunrisers Hyderabad City Union Bank, which former Indian cricketer captain has been appointed as the Goodwill Ambassador of Vision 2020 India to fight blindness, Krishnamachari Srikant. Union Cabinet has approved which mission to promote growth in livestock sector? Rashtriya Gokul Mission. Where was the multilateral naval combat exercise Sea Dragon 2025 of 5 countries including India hosted by the US for गुआम जो कि वेस्टर्न पैसिफिक ओशन के अंदर है अकॉर्डिंग टू द डेटा रिलीज्ड ऑन दिस व्हाट इज द रैंक ऑफ इंडिया इन ग्लोबल फार्मास्यूटिकल एक्सपोर्ट 11th इंडियन नेवी concluded which is biggest war exercise tropex 2025 according to RBI data released which countries surpassed Gulf countries as a top source of remittance America and Britain which country honored mega star Chiranjeevi with the lifetime achievement award Britain who has been awarded Denmark's Knight Cross of the Order of Denmark for diplomatic services Vijay Shankar where is the Assam Union Cabinet approved establishment of brownfield ammonia urea complex Namrup. Prime Minister which country Christopher Luxon visited India? New Zealand, which became the first state in India to establish Senior Citizen Commission, Kerala, who was elected as the first female and African president of the International Olympic Committee, Christy Coventry, जो कि जिम्बाब्वे की हैं. Which silk product from Northeast India received OECO tag certification from Germany? Aries Silk. Which Bollywood actor was made brand ambassador by Tata Motors? Vicky Kaushal. What was India's rank among 147 countries in World Happiness Report 2025? 118th, 118वां. Which hydrologist won the 2025 Stockholm Water Prize? Gunter Bloss. What was the theme of World Poetry Day 2025? Celebrated poetry as a bridge for peace and inclusion. Who represented India in the 69th session of United Nations Commission on Status of Women held in New York? अन्नपूर्णा देवी जो कि वुमेन एंड चाइल्ड डेवलपमेंट मिनिस्टर हैं. Which state launched mobile app to bring transparency in the transfer process of police force? West Bengal. Who was appointed as the MD and CEO of the Indian Industrial Finance Corporation? Rahul Bhave. Who became the first female president of Namibia? Netumbo Nandi Nadaitwa. Who was appointed as the chairperson of managing director of REC Limited? Parvinder Chopra. Which state announced construction of Ganga and Sarda river corridor to promote religious tourism? Uttarakhand. Which railway zone achieved highest freight loading in 2024-25 East Coast Railway? Where was Purple Face 2025 organized for persons with disabilities? Rashtrapati Bhavan, Delhi. Under what name 23rd bilateral naval exercise between India and France held in Arabian Sea? Varuna 2025. Which renowned Hindi writer was honored with the India's highest literary award? Vinod Kumar Shukla. Which frigate built under Project 1135.6 at Goa Shipyard launched by Indian Navy? Tavasya. Frigate built under Project 1135 at Goa Shipyard was launched by Indian Navy is called Tavasya. Which state launched AI chatbot Sarthi for citizen services? Haryana. Who was elected as the new chairman of Indian National Trust for Art and Cultural Heritage? Ashok Singh Thakur. Who became the first Indian player to lead 3 different teams of IPL? Ajinkya Rahane. Which flower were exported from Mizoram to Singapore for the first time? Anthurium. Who? What was the theme of World Water Day 2025? Glacier preservation. Theme of World Water Day 2025 is glacial preservation. Where was the Kabaddi World Cup 2025 organized for? England के अंदर. What under what name was the 12th joint military exercise between India and Kyrgyzstan held in Kyrgyzstan? Khanjar 12th number का. Who did Music Academy announce would be honored with the संगीत कला निधि award? RK श्री कुमार जो कि वॉयलिनिस्ट है. On the occasion of World Meteorological Day, Indian Navy organized which third meteorological and oceanographic symposium, Meghayan 25. What was the theme of 75th World Meteorological Day 2025? Closing the early warning gap together. Which first Jew in India launched DNA conservation project? Padmanabh Naidu, Himalayan Zoological Park, Darjeeling. Who did the central government appoint as the finance secretary, replacing Tuhin Kanda Pandey? Ajay Seth. Which Indian badminton player announced retirement from professional badminton? B. Sumit Reddy. Under whose chairmanship Supreme Court constituted a national task force on increasing student suicides in educational institutions? S. Ravindra Bhatt. Who was elected as the bureau member of the World United World Wrestling Asia? Sanjay Singh, President of Wrestling Federation of India. What was the theme of World TB Day 2025? Yes, we can end TB, commit, invest, deliver. Which Indian American scientist appointed Director of National Institute of Health? Jay Bhattacharya. Which maritime initiative Minister of Port, Shipping and Waterway completed 10 years? Sagarmala. Which maritime initiative of the Ministry of Port, Shipping and Waterway completed 10 years? Sagarmala. Who was appointed as a full-time member of Niti Aayog? Raju Gauba. For which contribution did Japanese mathematician Masaki Kasawara receive Abel Prize? For his seminal contribution to algebraic analysis and representative theory. Which Indian company set a record for becoming world's most valuable steel company? JSW Steel. By what name was the business platform established in Sri Lanka on 25 March, launched in to enhance economic cooperation between India and Sri Lanka? Lanka India Business Association. Which country announced to join New Development Bank by the BRICS countries? Indonesia. Which medal did Sunil Kumar win at the Asian Wrestling Championship 2025 in Amman, Jordan? Bronze. Where did the Sangeet Natak Academy organize 37th Kathak Mahotsav 2025? New Delhi. Punjab government announced the development of Nangal as a tourist center and wildlife sanctuary as a state's first leopard safari. Jhajjar, Bachauli. Punjab government announced the development of Nangal as a tourist center and wildlife sanctuary as the state's first leopard safari. जज्जर बचौली जो कि श्री अनंतपुर साहिब के अंदर है. वेयर वॉज द इंटरनेशनल रामायण कॉन्फ्रेंस 2025 ऑर्गेनाइज्ड? कोलंबो, श्रीलंका के अंदर. व्हाट इनिशिएटिव डिड द मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ एजुकेशन लॉन्च टू प्रिजर्व इंडियन पोएम्स एंड राइम्स फॉर यंग चिल्ड्रन? बालपन की कविता. विच मिसाइल वॉज सक्सेसफुली फ्लाइट टेस्टेड बाय DRDO and the Indian Navy? Vertical launch short range surface to air missile. Where was the 10th ammunition cum torpedo cum missile barge LSM 2024 launched? थाने, महाराष्ट्र के अंदर. According to data released by the Indian Tea Board, which country did India surpass to become the world's second largest tea exporter? Sri Lanka. Kenya ranked first. Thousand ninth birth anniversary of which saint and social reformer from Jhansi did Department of Post release? Mata Karma. By what name did the Indian Army organize Tri-Service Integrated Multi-Domain War Exercise Arunachal Pradesh in Arunachal Pradesh? Prachand Prahar. Which state topped the medal tally at the Khelo India Para Games held in Delhi? हरियाणा, जो कि 34 गोल्ड, 39 सिल्वर, 31 ब्रॉन्ज और टोटल 104 मेडल्स. हु वाज अपॉइंटेड एज द मैनेजिंग डायरेक्टर ऑफ द DBS बैंक इंडिया? अंबुज चंदा. हु टुक द ओथ एज द न्यू चीफ जस्टिस ऑफ उड़ीसा हाई कोर्ट? Justice Harish Tandon. Who became the first Indian woman to be placed at the top 10 of Huron Global Rich List 2025? Rosni Anda Malhotra. Which tourist irrigation submarine sank off the coast of Hurghada in Red Sea, Egypt? Sindbad. Which tourist recreational submarine sank off the coast of Hurghada in Red Sea, Egypt? Sindbad. Which major non-banking financial company appointed Indian cricketer Jasprit Bumrah as its brand ambassador? L&T Finance. Which city passed Mumbai to become the Asia's billionaire capital? Hurun Global Rich List 2025 के हिसाब से संघाई. Amit Shah announced the launch of a taxi service in the lines of Ola and Uber under the cooperative framework is Sahakar. By what name did Amit Shah announce the launch of new app based taxi service on the lines of Ola and Uber under cooperative framework Sahakar? Where did Ministry of Electronics organize India's first nano electronic road show? ISC Bangalore. What was the theme of World Theatre Day 2025? Theatre and a Culture of Peace. What name did the Uttarakhand government launch mobile app for water source conservation? Bhagirathi. which two transformative infrastructure initiative in Bihar were approved for the project by the central government? Patna Ara Sasaram corridor and Kosi Mechi interstate link project. Who was appointed as the chairman of Indian Banks Association CS Setty जो कि SBI के चीफ हैं? Who was appointed the advisory board of the Australian India Relation Center? Steve Waugh and जो कि एक ऑस्ट्रेलियन क्रिकेट कैप्टन रह चुके हैं. Whose book The Great Conciliator Lal Bahadur Shastri and the Transformation of India was released on 28 March? Sanjeev Chopra. Who won the women's and men's single titles respectively at the Indian Open 2025? Anahad Singh and Kareem El Torke. Which country was state of emergency declared after the severe earthquake? Myanmar and Thailand. What percentage of increase in dearness allowance did the central government announce for central employees and pensioners? 2%. By what name did the Indian launch operation for earthquake affected Myanmar? Operation Brahma. Who did International IMF appointed as the member of Managing Directors Advisory Council? एन चंद्रशेखर जो कि चेयरमैन है टाटा सन्स के. Where did Equitas Small Finance Bank appoint its executive director? Balaji Nuthalpadi. Who did Equitas Small Finance Bank appoint as its executive director on 29 March? Balaji Nuthalpadi. Which state announced its decision to honor the renewed historian and archaeologist Mayana Swamy Ugadi Puraskar? Andhra Pradesh. Which state announced the decision to honor the renowned historian and archaeologist Mayana Swamy with the Ugadi Puraskar? Andhra Pradesh. Indian table tennis player has retired from professional table tennis on 30 March? Achant Sarat Kamal. Where did the National Green Tribunal organize 2-day National Conference on Environment 2025? New Delhi. Which Indian Institute of Technology hosted the Technical and Entrepreneurship Festival Tech Kriti 2025? IIT Kanpur. In which city did IIM Ahmedabad announce its plans to establish first international campus? Dubai. Which state did Prime Minister Narendra Modi lay foundation stone for the Sipat Super Thermal Power Project Phase 3? Chhattisgarh. By what name did Prime Minister Modi unveil a special summer vacation calendar for the children? My Bharat Calendar. On Ugadi, which poverty alleviation initiative did Andhra Pradesh government launch? Zero Poverty P4 policy. Which city's famous Saudagiri book block print received GI tag? Ahmedabad. Where in Bihar did Amit Shah inaugurate Makhana Processing Unit in International Day of Cooperatives? Darbhanga. Which festival is celebrated on 30 March? A symbol of Marathi New Year, Gudi Padwa. Which state celebrated its Foundation Day on 30 March? Rajasthan. What was the theme of International Zero Waste Day 2025? Towards zero waste in fashion and textiles. Where did central government appoint as a private secretary to the Prime Minister Narendra Modi? Nidhi Tiwari. Which city in Uttar Pradesh received GI tag for Thandai, Lal Peda, Lal Bharwa Mirch, Karonda, Senai, Tabla, Mural Painting, and Moonj Craft? Varanasi. Which state is the top position country with total 69 GI tags, surpassing Tamil Nadu? Uttar Pradesh. Who successfully launched Frame 2, the first human mission to orbit the Earth from pole to pole? SpaceX. Who was honored with the Gold Mercury Award for Peace and Stability? Dalai Lama. Famous actor was appointed as the chairman of FICCI's Media and Entertainment Committee? Kamal Hassan. Honored with the Uttar Pradesh Anmol Ratna Puraskar? Nikhil Singhal. Which city of Haryana did Amit Shah unveil a grand statue of Maharaja Agrasen? Hisar. Which team defeated Jindal Panther to win Aditya Birla Memorial Polo Cup 2025? Rajnigandha Achievers. Which name of the art image created by AI went on viral? Ghibli. Who assumed office on 1 अप्रैल 2025 as the 7th Secretary General of Commonwealth countries? Shirley Bochwe, घाना की हैं.